Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Nickkii. If this is your first time, welcome. And if this is not your first time, welcome back. Today I went ahead and created this festive look that's really pretty. I'm going to go ahead and close my eyes so you can see this cut crease I used the Juvias Mauves palette, which is very, very nice. All right, and I also used their chocolate palette on my eyes, which is very, very nice. And I will say both of these palettes are very, very pigmented. I used the last palette, the nudes palette, excuse me, in my last video, which was really, really good. So I really fell in love with these. If you have not tried them, I definitely would encourage you to pick them up. It was really, really a good deal. I think I spent like $7 on each palette. And to highlight, if you're interested in my highlight, I'll go ahead and give y'all this information during the video as well. But I'm going to go ahead and say it is the AOA Studio Power Lighter in Astro. That's very, very nice. I bought a few different other things that I mentioned in here in this video as well. I will definitely keep everything in the description box. Let me know if you create this look. And happy holidays and Merry Christmas. So this Juvia's place, like I said, was a bit too dark. I even tried to mix it in with my Morphe. I am this complexion, but I was still trying to give this foundation a try. And this is Savannah 440. And in Morphe, I'm in f3.60, but it's not bad. It is a bit darker than what I would normally like, but we gonna go with it. Let's just try the Juvia's Place concealer. This is in number 13. I don't remember the color, the shade, but it does have 13 on it. So let's go ahead and go in with the concealer. Let's see. My Juvia's Place. This is a foundation in Nambia, and I'm going to use this to contour with. And I'm not going to put this on my nose. I don't like my nose contoured that much. All right, so let's blend it out. right, that is the end of the video. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, of course, and stay tuned. I do have some more looks coming up in the near future, so I hope you enjoyed nonetheless. Bye.